Hi guys, Kelvin here. So this is VicTsing's 96 key gaming mechanical RGB keyboard right here. That is a balance between a full-size keyboard with 108 keys or 104 keys as well as a TKL version of 87 keys right here. Think of this as a balance between both worlds, but this one features a full-fledged, full-size mechanical gaming keyboard function in a clever, neat feature where if you toggle this top button right here, it changes back to its arrow key and all the shortcuts, like page down, page up and delete. Toggle it back, it comes a numpad. So it's a balance of both worlds, I guess. Now for the typing test right here, you'll be at the very end of the video. So this keyboard right here is using a new blue mechanical switch brand that I never heard before, but after doing some little bit digging, then I managed to know how to pronounce it and basically know its quality right here. So this is using GZM blue mechanical switches. Think of it as an ultra budget Cherry MX blue switches. It's very clicky. However, when compared to Ultimo blue switches, it's of lower quality. The Content blue switches and the GZM switches are literally the same. They are very scratchy, they're clicky, they do feel clicky, but it feels a little bit dampened or a little bit mushy, and the click is not so of a higher audible level that you find on the Cherry MX blues. But again, it's nice to type on if you love the clicky experience right here. The keycaps right here are using double shot ABS plastic, so expect a little bit of louder clicking sound feedback, if you may presume. This is using a floating style keyboard. Thank God, bless God. It's easier to clean compared to flush style keyboard. And more importantly about this keyboard right here, it has zero rattling sound. Coming from a budget keyboard, this is a lot of big news. I mean, like if I hold it like that, you don't hear the spring wires of the long stabilizing keys to rattle. So only 3 keyboards that I reviewed so far, including this will be the 4th, that does not rattle like a rattlesnake. I do not know what voodoo magic they put right here. Now when it comes to build quality, it's rather sturdy. There is not much flex to it when it comes to the bottom sturdy plastic right here, which I'll show a little bit. When it comes to the top part right here, there's a little bit of flex thanks to its plastic frame, but not very noticeable. So if you're a rage quitter type of gamer, you bash the keyboard, it would last. Just chill. Okay, now this keyboard right here, I would say is a girlfriend grade weapon. You should not give your girlfriend this because this weighs 900 grams. Despite being all plastic, I think they've had a metal plate inside to stabilize the whole thing, but definitely it's heavy. If she takes this and smack your face, you will go to the hospital faster than COVID-19 gets you on your deathbed. Now, aside from that, they are using this 2-meter long braided cable right here. It's rather stiff, so cable management can be a little bit tricky right here. The single stage stand helps to increase the height of the keyboard by 1.3 cm. There's a total of 6 rubber pads on the bottom, including 2 on each of the stands right there. The bottom hides additional keycap and keycap remover. It also features these spillage holes right here on the bottom of the keyboard. Again, I can't verify if it's spillage proof or waterproof, so don't take any soda and try to be a hero right here. You'll lose your investment. But one thing you will not lose your investment is this 3-way cable management right here. You can go on the left, on the right, or the center right here. Many budget keyboards is just one way, and that's the only way to go. At the end of the video, you can actually check all the lighting effects, but you can have between 3 game lighting modes as well as 18 lighting effects, anywhere from the function button to the number 4 to 9 keys, or even 1 to 3 for your game mode. You can also change the direction, the speed, and also the brightness of the RGB lighting on the keyboard itself. There's a software where you can download and change individual key settings or the RGB effect, so I recommend downloading it and actually play around with it. So what do I think about this keyboard right here? I would actually recommend it. And more importantly, it builds like a literally baby bear right here. It's 900 grams, yes, it's a girlfriend grade weapon, but it does not flex. I know you guys watched my videos to see this where I put on top of my head and try to... You can see the keyboard is bending. That hurts my head. Ouch. It's legitly good. So thanks for watching this video. Comment below what do you think about this keyboard. If you're interested to purchase this keyboard, links in the video description below where you can purchase them, including the update price. Remember to like and subscribe and share this video on social media. We need to hit that 20,000 sub count very soon. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next mechanical keyboard review because I really need to take a break. Ouch! I shouldn't do that. Ouch! It really hurts. Even it changed my hairstyle. Dang! Alright, bye guys.